Hi everyone, my name is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. So finally I got my silver play button. So it is here, I just received it because we crossed 100,000 subscribers. All thanks to my wife and all the subscribers too. So today we are going to unbox this silver play button. So let's do it. And I have this knife here. So I removed the tapes. Now let's open it up. The box is very nice and I have a letter from YouTube and this is my silver play button. So let's open it from here as well. And this is the button and I have it here. So it took a very long time to reach this milestone, but from now onwards, I will try to make a lot of videos. And sorry guys, I'm not uploading a lot of videos from some time because I was stuck somewhere, but now everything is fine and I will start creating videos again. So thanks for your support. And one more surprise I have for you is, and you will understand why I was not making a lot of video. And the reason is here. I have became a father and this is my son and he is now of 5 months and his name is Hamza Bilal. Hey, say hi to my audience. He cannot speak now, but so this is the reason I was not making a lot of videos, but now he is stable and I get some times to make videos, so I will do it from now. So and he is very lucky for me. So I don't know what to say, but yeah, I became a father. The feeling is sort of amazing. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's good. So that's all for this video, guys. And I just wanted to introduce this silver play button and my son in this video. So keep watching Simplified Coding. I am making a lot of new videos, new content, new tutorials. So you will like everything, I hope. So please subscribe to Simplified Coding if you are not already a subscriber. And we will meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.